The Lincoln Navigator stands as a testament to American automotive ingenuity, luxury, and innovation. Since its debut in the late 1990s, this full-size luxury SUV has redefined what it means to combine opulence with practicality, offering a driving experience that caters to those who demand both comfort and capability. The Navigator is not just a vehicle, it is a statement, a symbol of success, sophistication, and the pursuit of excellence. Over the years, it has evolved into a flagship model for Lincoln, embodying the brand's commitment to craftsmanship, technology, and performance. Today, the Lincoln Navigator continues to set the standard for luxury SUVs, blending cutting-edge features with timeless design to create a vehicle that is as functional as it is aspirational. At the heart of the Lincoln Navigator's appeal is its commanding presence. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Navigator exudes confidence and elegance. Its bold, muscular stance is complemented by a sleek, modern design that incorporates Lincoln's signature styling cues. The iconic grille, adorned with the Lincoln Star, serves as a focal point, while the sculpted body lines and LED lighting create a sense of sophistication and dynamism. The Navigator's exterior design is not just about aesthetics, it is a reflection of its capabilities. This is a vehicle built to dominate the road, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. Its imposing size and robust construction inspire confidence, while its refined details convey a sense of luxury that is unmistakably Lincoln. Step inside the Lincoln Navigator, and you are greeted by an interior that redefines the concept of automotive luxury. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and refinement, designed to cater to the needs of both drivers and passengers. Premium materials, such as supple leather, genuine wood accents, and brushed metal finishes, are meticulously crafted to create an environment that feels both inviting and exclusive. The Navigator's spacious interior offers ample room for up to 8 passengers, ensuring that everyone travels in comfort. For those seeking an even more elevated experience, the Navigator L, an extended wheelbase version, provides additional legroom and cargo space, making it the ultimate choice for families and adventurers alike. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Lincoln Navigator is its attention to detail. Every element of the interior is thoughtfully designed to enhance the driving experience. The seats, for instance, are not just comfortable, they are equipped with heating, cooling, and massage functions, allowing occupants to relax and unwind during long journeys. The available Revel Ultima 3D audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering an immersive listening experience that rivals the finest home audio systems. Meanwhile, the panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere that enhances the sense of space. These features, combined with advanced noise-canceling technology, ensure that the Navigator's cabin remains a tranquil oasis, no matter where the road takes you. Technology plays a central role in the Lincoln Navigator's appeal, and the vehicle is equipped with an array of innovative features designed to make every drive safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable. The Sync 4 infotainment system, with its large touchscreen display, provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration allow drivers to stay connected while keeping their hands on the wheel, while the available wireless charging pad ensures that devices remain powered throughout the journey. The Navigator also boasts a suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, all of which work together to enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue. Under the hood, the Lincoln Navigator is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers an impressive combination of power and efficiency. With 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, the Navigator is capable of towing up to 8,700 pounds, making it a versatile choice for those who need a vehicle that can handle both work and play. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, which ensures responsive performance and optimal fuel economy. Whether you're accelerating onto the highway or navigating winding country roads, the Navigator's powertrain delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The Lincoln Navigator's capabilities extend beyond its performance and luxury features. It is also a vehicle designed to adapt to the needs of its occupants. The available adaptive suspension system continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts the suspension to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, while the available dynamic torque vectoring system enhances handling and stability, particularly in challenging driving conditions. For those who venture off-road, the Navigator's available 4-wheel drive system and terrain management system ensure that you can tackle even the most rugged terrain with confidence. These features, combined with the Navigator's robust construction and advanced safety systems, make it a vehicle that is as capable as it is luxurious. Beyond its technical specifications and features, the Lincoln Navigator represents something greater, a commitment to excellence and a dedication to meeting the needs of its discerning customers. It is a vehicle that appeals to those who value quality, craftsmanship, and innovation, and who seek a driving experience that is both rewarding and inspiring. The Navigator is not just a means of transportation, it is a reflection of its owner's aspirations and achievements. It is a vehicle that commands respect and admiration, whether it's parked in front of a luxury hotel or navigating a remote mountain trail. The Lincoln Navigator also holds a special place in the history of American automotive design. When it was first introduced in 1997, it was one of the first luxury SUVs to combine the ruggedness of a truck with the refinement of a luxury sedan. This groundbreaking approach paved the way for a new category of vehicles, and the Navigator quickly became a favorite among celebrities, executives, and families alike. Over the years, it has continued to evolve, incorporating the latest advancements in technology, safety, and design to remain at the forefront of the luxury SUV market. Today, the Navigator is more than just a vehicle, it is a cultural icon, representing the best of American innovation and craftsmanship. In conclusion, the Lincoln Navigator is a vehicle that transcends its role as a mode of transportation. It is a symbol of luxury, capability, and ambition, offering a driving experience that is as rewarding as it is unforgettable. From its bold design and opulent interior to its advanced technology and powerful performance, the Navigator is a vehicle that caters to those who demand the very best. It is a vehicle that inspires confidence, fosters connection, and creates memories. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip, shuttling the family to soccer practice, or simply enjoying a quiet drive through the countryside, the Lincoln Navigator is the ultimate companion. It is a vehicle that not only meets the needs of its occupants but exceeds their expectations, delivering a level of luxury and performance that is truly unparalleled. The Lincoln Navigator is more than just an SUV, it is a statement of success, a celebration of innovation, and a testament to the enduring appeal of American automotive excellence.